personally feel like beauty is the one thing that we could depend on when it comes to healing. It's the only thing that shines light in the dark. I started my makeup career in LA in a very unconventional way.
Hi everyone, I just wanted to, wait, can we start that again?
Yeah.
I moved to LA in 2010, the same year Instagram was launched.
Sure to like, subscribe, share.
I experienced such a well-rounded perspective within the beauty and entertainment landscape. Everything from press tours, TV shows, fashion shows, salons, assisting, weddings, working one-on-one with celebrity artists. I decided in 2016 to play with the idea of an indie beauty line. And that's when my own personal beauty journey truly began. I was getting sober and I just wanted to serve people beyond the rooms of recovery. And I wanted to serve people on a greater scale through beauty. I had a small team, I put my life savings in it, and then the world shut down. I was at a complete loss of what to do. How do I keep moving a beauty brand forward? I'm out of money. I don't know how to push this in the middle of a pandemic. Call it divine guidance, intuition, a higher power, or God. For me, there's just something inside of me that wanted to continue to tell stories. That spirit of my beauty brand was connection, it was community, it was healing, it was something to allow others to be seen, it was something that was able to be shared. I wanted to share, I wanted to create, I wanted to commune, I wanted to celebrate. That's all I ever wanted with my brand. Through grieving the loss of what I thought was a product line, I was given this opportunity to step into the most sincere heart of my why. So my heart for storytelling evolved into this opportunity of what would it look like to create documentaries? We set out to do 3 documentaries around the world as a test. France taught me through the lens of beauty that it is okay to embody the most feminine version of myself. But it's also this beauty in the undone because of how delicate and effortless but elegant it is all at the same time. And it allowed me to really feel like I could show up as all of me without really trying. In short, I don't even know how to fully answer this, but Japan provided a space of healing for me in ways that I would have never expected. Japan forced me to accept everything that I'm not and to truly grow into my confidence of everything that I am. It was the constant reflection of self that I wasn't anticipating to have in different forms. Even the showers had mirrors. As a kid, I held on to a lot of self-hatred. I never felt comfortable in my own skin and my own body. I never actually fully loved myself or liked myself truly. I almost felt like I was always trapped in my body. I think there was a lot of self-hate that beauty challenged me to confront all the time. I think that that's the thing that has always driven me to this place of desiring community and connection through beauty, because I think in turn, being able to see others light up, or to feel supported, or to feel included, or to feel like they've been given some sort of encouragement or hope, in turn healed me, because I think to my core, everything that I've wanted to give through beauty, whether it's through the craft, through the product, through the stories, has all been a means of me truly wanting to help heal the deepest parts of me too. First thing that comes to me about the Philippines, there is just this immense warmth and joy and community. The Philippines taught me that it's okay to be on your own personal beauty journey. It's okay to seek beauty, because beauty is always found. And it was just so loud and clear that beauty is something that you live. Beauty is to be lived in. It's not meant to just be isolated to products and rituals. Our search for beauty in the Philippines led us to connect deeper with ancient practices of connecting to the divine. It was experiencing life in the most beautiful ways. That beauty surpasses this industry. It's not limited. Beauty can be found anywhere. It can be found in the mess. It can be found in destruction. It can be found more than anything through the human experience and through connection. Healing through the lens of beauty means connection to ourselves, to something bigger than us, and to the people around us. I personally feel like beauty is the one thing that we could depend on when it comes to healing. It's the only thing that shines light in the dark. Beauty has taught me that I will forever be its student, and it will forever be my teacher.